Okay, I'm starting from scratch. So I'm going to try a different way. Okay, so here's my sensor. I know it's the sensor because it's got the right numbers, and it also has, I don't know if it'll show up if it's bright enough. Nope. I think you can barely see an arrow to show you the direction you need to wire it. Okay, so we want the bottom prong to be going to positive. And we want the top prong to go to negative. All right. We're going to actually jump this positive and make sure this positive. Just to make sure everybody's right. This negative over to negative. All right, so maybe that was the problem earlier. Okay. Now we need to communicate. We're going to communicate and get an input from the sensor, and we're going to use that with the green jumper. So the green jumper is going to be the AO. Will, come back, please. All right. So AO. I can't look through the camera in. Okay. All right, and that's going to connect with the center, that middle prong. Okay. Now I had it on different sides of the center. I had the negative and positive leads. I didn't think that it would matter, but maybe it does. So there we go, we got that hooked up. All right, sensor is hooked up. All right, now let's hook the, I guess we'll just do the motor next. Okay, so then the motor, let's see. Here we are. All right, so we got the transistor, right? Is that what this is? Okay, so he needs to go in slots 1, 2, 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3. All right. We need a black negative jumper. Anywhere in the negative will do. Where it goes on that negative row doesn't matter. That row goes up and down, right? So this row goes up and down. It doesn't really matter where. But where here matters. It has to be in line with the top. That's important. All right, now we have our 330 resistor. That has to be in the middle, bridging over. Okay, so we're good there. Now we're going to communicate. We're going to communicate with that bottom leg. Okay, and it's just going to come up here because we haven't added anything yet. It wants to be in line with the negative of the motor. All right, so put that in line with the negative of the motor. Boom. Okay. Then we need this diode, and this diode, let's get it on camera. Let's get some more light. This diode has a black line on it. Okay, and that black line's important. That black line, I believe, needs to be on top. So it's going to be in line with that negative right there, and then somewhere up here. Okay. All right, so we got that part. Now we need to jump red. That needs to be in line with the upper leg of that diode. and jump it over to positive. Okay. Get him all nice and happy. And that has to be in line with the positive of the motor. Kind of twist it a little bit, coax it a little bit. Okay. That. Oh, and now it has to talk. Okay. All right, so this resistor that we jumped over on line 2, that's what's going to go to the pin. All right, so to pin 9 is what I coded it to be. Oh. Let's see if anything happens. Nothing so far. Okay, we got some more coding messages. Okay, well that was attempt 2. All right, I definitely have to go back and stop trying to do both at the same time. I definitely need to go back and do the sensor by itself and the motor by itself, because I'm actually making more work for myself by trying to do both at the same time, because I can't figure out which one to troubleshoot first. Who's being the problem, the sensor or the motor? There was one message board that was talking about that maybe the Arduino board isn't giving the motor enough power, but this is the motor that came with the kit, so I don't know why it wouldn't have enough power. So we'll keep trying. We'll figure this out. That was beta test.